Men Christian, der er meget mere end det her. Der er meget mere. So leading up to the halls, there's a lot of little shops that specialize in this and that. The smell here is to die for. Here you have durian, you can smell it, so nice. So nice. And here you have herbs and more fruit. And now we get into Otorkor, which is the real Otorkor, which is the big one. Here you can get every fruit in the world. Every single fruit. If you want it, they have it. They also have the fruit of the sea. They have the fruit of the sea and they have meat, they have everything. But primarily this is fruit. So much nice stuff here. And the smells are incredible. Really, really nice. You smell the roasted duck, you smell roasted pig, you smell so many nice things. You smell the curries, you smell a lot of stuff I don't know what is. Here you got tacos, clams. Some really, really nice mangoes, and they are graded into different qualities, and the mangoes here are exceptionally good. So find this place if you want really, really good mangoes. Dried fish and squid and all the dried stuff you can have, but also they have dried fruit. Oh, this happened. Vegetables, loads of vegetables. Orange, shogun orange. Yes. So this was Otorkor Market. Now we move on to Chatuchak Market. I'll just see if I can get the drone up somewhere so we can see it. But let's go and go to Chatuchak. So here's where the metro station stops. We go in here. On the other side is the Bangkok Junction. It's a mall, I think. We'll just go in here, see what we can find. Today's Friday, so I'm not expecting a lot of shops to be open, but some of them may be, but we will see. Nice and warm, sun is shining. Shops in Chatuchak. This is just an example of it. Here you can buy the t-shirt, and this is the t-shirt of the old king, the yellow one. I am not sure what the new king, which t-shirt color you should wear for him, but they celebrate their royals, and you should too. And never talk down to them. It's a good idea. They've done lots for the country. But you see the shoe shop, there's a lamb shop. This is one of the entrances to Chatuchak. Actually pretty okay. You can see here it's 10 baht for a bowl, it's 10, 20 baht. So it's kind of nice, but still you should haggle. Even if it's super low prices, you still need to haggle or do what is easiest. Just say, hey, okay, so one is 20 baht. If I take 5, then it's 80 baht, right? Something like that. You can do that. Many of them have them. So easy to buy. When you get here, is go into all these little alleys. Remember, if you come here Friday, a lot of shops won't be open, but still some will. On a Saturday and a Sunday, all of this is packed with shops that are open, and it's really, really fun to explore here. You'll find so many weird stuff. Chatuchak is divided into several themes, and I will show you a theme map just in a second. Go into so many little shops with so many little knickknacks. Such a pleasure to come here. And they're preparing for the market tomorrow. And you see here, they have rather large quantities of this, so I bet they sell a lot. Some bags. And in between all of them, they have places where you can have some tea or so look for it. And please remember to bargain. We just went to a place where I bought a set of lanterns in Lamai for 600 baht, and they were starting off at 1,200 baht, and I just laughed at her. I couldn't do anything else. I hope she learned the lesson, but if she didn't, well, her loss, not mine. Dried fruits, dried whatever. And you will see this a lot. But on a Saturday, all of these shops will be open. Yeah, someplace else, 24, and almost all of the shops here are closed. Almost everything is closed. But they are opening, so they are preparing. The time is now 20 minutes past 12, so I think you'll see in a few hours a lot of this will be open. Handicrafts. Sunglasses and shoes, more shoes. Thailand made, if I have to guess, and they're really, really cheap, but the quality is so. It's a wooden whatever. You see, it's often a family business, so you have your daughters, you have everybody working together. Muay Thai equipment. You usually use that as a landmark when you go in. This is the middle of the market. You saw it on the drone videos, and that is usually used as a meeting point. If you get lost, then you can do that. Find yourself here. It's very easy to see once you're in the middle of the market. If you're in the sides of the market, it's not always an easy place to find. So here you have everything again. It's funny stuff you wouldn't know existed. So many things for your suitcase. 3 for 100 bahts. And probably if you buy 10, you can get it even cheaper. So probably get 10 for 300 baht. Remember to haggle, is very, very important. denims, all kinds of sizes, signs, and the prices are very good. You can still bargain. Remember, just buy more than one, then you can bargain. Say I buy 3, I get 1 free. Remember to bargain. It's so important. Your island where?
This is sea.
And here you can get snakes, mice, mouse, rats,
No way. I don't like.
rabbits,
Oh, it's rabbits.
rabbits, many rabbits.
My. Have you seen my rabbit?
And here's snakes. The animal market, look for this mixed chatuchak, and then continue down this way. Then you will have all the little fish shops and everything is down here. Let's have a look what's down here. Fighting fish. Siamese fighting fish, all kinds of fish. Plants, roots. Aquariums. Aquariums with plastic plants. So at the time, 100. Let me see, one euro is 39 baht. So 10 euros is 390 baht. You get fish bags for your packing needs. Plants. Some may say this is inhumane for the fish, or you buy a big bag of fish, it's 250 for a huge bag of fish. But what we're looking for are the specific guppy people. There are some here. Worms. More fish. And fish inside. Equipment. More fish. Plants. So nice fish here. Really nice fish. We have L fish. Sawasdee krap.
Kia
ราบิโดช็อตบอลตาแดงไหม